Welcome to JL Rainbow Learning School and Tutorial. Good day, Rainbow Learners. This is Teacher Lauren again, and today we will learn the letter sounds. After you have identified all the letters, you can now memorize our letter sounds. I want you to listen carefully and follow teacher along with the actions so you can easily memorize all the letter sounds. Don't forget to pause the video if you need more time to answer my questions. Let's get started. Letter sounds. A. A says A. A. B. The B says B. B. C. The C says D. The D says D. D. E. The E says A. A. F. The F says G. The G says G. G. H. H says I. The I says E. E. J. The J says J. Like J. J. K. The K says K. Like you kick. L. The L says L. L. M. The M says Mm. Mm. N. The N says Mm. Mm. O. The O says aw. Aw. P. The P says Q. The Q says qu. Qu. R. The R says R. R. S. The S says S. S. The T says U. The U says oh. Oh. V. The V says mm. Mm. W. The W says w. W. X. The X says Y. The Y says Y. Y. And letter Z. The Z says Z. Z. Rainbow learners, don't forget to keep on watching this video until you memorized all of the letter sounds. See you!